Love is a beautiful feeling. In today's video, we are going to learn some popular and useful love idioms that native speakers use in daily conversations. This will help you sound more natural, fluent, effective, impressive, and confident while speaking English. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Love at first sight means instant love. Examples: I didn't believe in love at first sight until I met you. When our eyes met, I felt an instant connection. Head over heels or crazy about someone. It means deeply in love. From the first smile, I was head over heels. She is head over heels for her childhood friend. Better half means partner. I can't imagine life without my better half. Every success feels special because of my better half. Match made in heaven means perfect couple. We are truly a match made in heaven. Our love story feels like a match made in heaven. Heart skips a beat means excited. My heart skipped a beat with excitement. When you hold my hand, my heart skips a beat. Wear your heart on your sleeve. It means show feelings. Don't wear your heart on your sleeve with strangers. I wear my heart on my sleeve when it comes to you. Break the ice means start talking. He told a joke to break the ice. She started a light conversation to break the ice. Fall for someone means start loving. I never expected to fall for someone like you. He fell for her because of her honesty. Tie the knot means get married. When are you planning to tie the knot? After a long love story, they tied the knot. Hold hands means support. Just holding your hand makes me happy. They walked along the beach holding hands. Lovebirds means cute couple. Those two are real lovebirds. The lovebirds celebrated their anniversary happily. Soulmate means true partner. Soulmates connect heart to heart. Life feels perfect when you are with your soulmate. Heart of gold means kind person. Anyone with a heart of gold deserves happiness. Teachers with a heart of gold inspire students. Sparks fly, it means strong chemistry. Sparks fly whenever they are together. When strong personalities clash, sparks fly. True love means real connection. True love stands strong in every storm. True love is built on trust and respect. Fall in love with somebody, it means start feeling love towards somebody. You don't choose to fall in love with somebody, it just happens. Be careful before you fall in love with somebody. Lovey-dovey means very affectionate. Stop being so lovey-dovey in public. The movie was full of lovey-dovey moments. Pop the question means to ask someone to get married. He finally popped the question. It was a magical moment when he popped the question. Main squeeze means romantic partner. Mark spent the weekend with his main squeeze. Life is sweeter with my main squeeze. Smitten with someone means deeply attracted. They became smitten with each other quickly. Grace is smitten with his kind nature. Swept off your feet means suddenly in love. She never expected to be swept off her feet by someone she just met. I was swept off my feet the moment I heard him sing. Burning desire means strong attraction. A burning desire is the first step towards success. Without a burning desire, it's hard to achieve big dreams. Heart skips a beat means feel excited by love. My heart skips a beat when I hear my favorite song. Her heart skipped a beat as he got down on one knee. Made for each other means ideal pair. Their chemistry proves they are made for each other. Their love story feels like they were made for each other. Love struck means strongly affected by love. Roger acted like a love-struck teenager on his first date. The love-struck couple couldn't stop staring at each other. Set hearts aflutter means make someone excited. His charming smile set hearts aflutter at the party. Her graceful dance performance set hearts aflutter. Heart and soul means with full love and devotion. The trainer put her heart and soul into her teaching. If you want success, give it your heart and soul. Join at the hip. It means always together or inseparable. Since college, they have been joined at the hip. The twins grew up joined at the hip, doing everything together. Ask out. It means ask someone on a date. Rahul finally asked her out for coffee. She smiled when he asked her out for dinner. Be an item. It means be a couple. They met in college and soon were an item. The two co-stars became an item after the movie. Be nuts about means really enjoy. They are nuts about traveling. She is nuts about fashion and style. Blind date. It means dating someone you have never met. Their blind date turned into a beautiful love story. Would you ever go on a blind date? Double dating. It means two couples dating at the same time. Double dating can make things less awkward. The two couples planned a movie night for double dating. Heart goes out to. It means feel sympathy. My heart goes out to the families affected by the accident. Their hearts go out to the community in crisis. Leave at the altar. It means decide not to marry at the last minute. Everyone was shocked when the groom left the bride at the altar. After being left at the altar, she decided to focus on her career. Loverette. It means someone who cheats on their partner. Nobody wants to date a loverette who cannot stay loyal. He pretended to be sincere, but he turned out to be a love-wreck. No love lost. It means mutual dislike. The former business partners have no love lost for each other. After the competition, there was clearly no love lost between the rival teams. Through thick and thin. It means in good and bad times. True friends stand by each other through thick and thin. A real partner stays with you through thick and thin. Puppy love. It means young or innocent love or teenage crush. Many teenagers experience puppy love in high school. Puppy love often teaches us our first lesson about emotions. Love is blind. It means love overlooks faults. His friends warned him, but love is blind, and he didn't listen. Labor of love. It means work done for love. Creating educational YouTube videos can be a labor of love when you enjoy teaching. Decorating her home by herself was a labor of love. Tough love. It means caring through strictness. Sometimes parents use tough love to teach discipline. Real friends sometimes show tough love instead of false sympathy. Old flame means past lover. An unexpected message from an old flame brought back memories. Hook, line and sinker. It means completely in love. It is used when someone is fully convinced or deceived. Rahul fell for the prank, hook, line and sinker. The audience accepted the fake news, hook, line and sinker. Dear John. It means breakup letter. Nobody wants to open a letter that begins with Dear John. Cold shoulder. It means ignoring someone. She gave him the cold shoulder after their argument. He felt hurt when his friends showed him the cold shoulder. Lost love. It means broken relationship. Though lovers be lost, love shall not. Heartbreaker. It means one who hurts in love. That charming actor is known as a real heartbreaker. Falling for a heartbreaker can be painful. Secret admirer. It means hidden lover. She received flowers from a secret admirer on Valentine's Day. Having a secret admirer made her feel special. Fall for someone. It means to begin loving someone. After their long friendship, he finally fell for her. The apple of someone's eye. It means a person someone loves dearly. Parents often consider their children the apple of their eye. Take someone's breath away. It means to amaze, impress or delight someone. The sunset over the mountains took my breath away. Seeing the newborn for the first time took their breath away. Lovebirds. It means affectionate, inseparable couple. High school sweethearts can be lovebirds for life. Hope you learned a lot through this video. Keep practicing these expressions. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning and keep subscribing. And don't forget to hit your comments.